You probably know it from experience. After numerous projects in WSCAD, the Project Explorer becomes somewhat confusing and you have to search for the projects you want to work on again and again. Constantly searching for projects is annoying and takes unnecessary time as you first have to get an overview. In this video, I will show you how you can set up the Project Explorer in the WSCAD software so that your projects can be found quickly and easily. We will now open the Project Explorer in the WSCAD software. We can use the Project Explorer settings to call up the sorting, for example. Here you can see that you can set and select various search criteria. You also have the option of editing criteria. To create your own sorting, you can create and customize further sortings in the Edit Criteria area. Here we select the customer as the first criterion. The second criterion is created by, and the third criterion is the project name, for example. We can also use other criteria in this window. These criteria are relevant for sorting in the Project Explorer. After activating the criteria, you will then see that the sorting is carried out exactly as the criteria are set. The order in which the criteria are set plays a major role here. For example, it is sorted first by customer, then by the owner, and so on. If no criteria apply or the criterion is not known, a question mark is displayed. As we can see, for the municipality of Bergkirchen, we have the owners Hermann und Huber. And for other projects, we also have the customer first in the description, followed by the owner and other individual criteria. In this way, all criteria are taken into account and the project is displayed up to the project description and as the last position. Another option for sorting or filtering in the Project Explorer can be found in the Filter area. You can set your own filters here. For example, we will now edit a filter. In this window, we have the choice of various filter options that you can store or enter. The various filters can also be renamed. For example, we will enter filter 1 in the customer field, e.g. WSCAD. You can also enter a project name or other filter criteria. Once we have successfully set the filter, we can activate the filter directly via the Project Explorer settings. You will now only see all projects that contain the customer WSCAD. If we now open the filter again, we can rename the filter 2 as a project and enter a commission or other relevant information for filtering. As additional filtering in the Created By field, we enter an entry with MH, for example, and then click OK again. We have now used the project filter. This gives us a new view through this filtering, which has been provided with other information. In this case, we cannot find a suitable match. With these functions in the Project Explorer, you can quickly and easily initiate either filtering or sorting so that you always have an overview of a large number of projects and can react quickly without having to do a lot of searching. Another option is to change the view in the Project Explorer. For example, if we select the document type here, you will see that the document type is displayed for the individual folders and disciplines. Creating project groups is another way of making the overview even easier or clearer in the Project Explorer. For example, you can move completed projects or projects from other years into the groups as required. The Project Explorer offers several other functions that make your daily work easier. You can find more exciting videos with tips and tricks on YouTube.